What's up guys and how are you all? Today's video guys we are gonna unbox the game controller which supports PC and Android both. And so let's get started. So guys, I just ordered this thing. This was parcel from the Razer PK and I got it delivered after 5 days. So yeah, I'm currently making a video on the 5th day. I have already opened it. So first of all, let's take out the packaging. So I already kind of unboxed it, as you can see. I just have already. So guys, this is the payment. This thing guys costed me around uh, you can see the paid price was $442, 442 rupees, sorry, and it's quite cheap one, and the delivery it all just made 541 rupees. So yeah, this is the I have blurred my information because it's kind of private. So yeah, and the name is guys game controller for PC mobile and Lenju L6000 computer game handle bell black. So this is it. And then guys, this is the main product. So let's unbox it, review it guys. I have used this thing for 1 day around, and then I am reviewing this thing. So guys, and the first frame at the first phase we have this, the perfect logo guys. First of all, if you see here, they have written like a brand name Lenju, and I have searched this brand. Is a quite good game for gaming. But here they are giving me of another brand which is perfect. But guys, it does not matter because only the logo is changed, or else everything is the same in the picture as they showed me. So here you can see its name is perfect, the brand name is perfect, and the model number is AK47. Guys, literally the model number is AK47. It's quite amazing. And this is the controller guys. It is having 12 keys, doing a lock button, and it is a USB type supported. I'm going to show you that. It is having vibration handle. I have tried it having vibration 2 burst set. I don't know what is that. LED light it does not have. Like it has only one LED light here, but I'm not sure it is having. I don't know what is burst set, but yeah. On top, nothing. The perfect technology. You get the. Here you get some other stuff. You can pretty much guys read up. You can pause the video and read. And then here too we have written transmission feature, double shake controller that does work, and superior feel, arrow keys and flexible, everything does work guys. This is quite amazing controller. Then at the back you get all the things combined and ported by perfect. So let's unbox this thing. Here you just get a controller, no manual, nothing, you just get in the box. Here is the controller guys, and I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, it's just empty guys. The box is nothing, there's nothing in the box, just this kind of thing. So you get the controller on in the box guys. Okay guys, so this is the controller. Now you guys can probably see the photo here somewhere on the screen that will be saying the Lenju controller, but this is so similar to it. There's just a brand different, or else everything is just so similar. And guys, wow, like this thing feels quite good in hand. I mean, it is not like the Xbox 360 controller. Like I have used that controller. It's not like that, but yeah, still it's like the quality is not that good. It's just normal, but still it's very good, and I have used it. It is having vibration 2 on the both side, left and right side. This D-pad and 1 2 3. And the bad thing is about this guys that it has written 1 2 3 4 5. So for playing games on PC, you just need to install a software and kind of stuff like that. Then you can play games with this controller on your PC, and that's very good guys. So you can see. So the controllers, you can see perfect model number AK47, manufacturing date July 2014. It's having a quite good grip. And the button guys, all of these buttons work. And you guys, to connect this thing with your PC, as you can see, the wire is very long. Let me just open it, this thing up. And the wire literally a lot longer, so as you can see, just it's so much wire, like you can just, it's easily a lot different. It's usually around like 10 meters wire, so yeah, something like that, but it's quite good. And then when you get to the controls, this is quite beautiful plastic. This plastic is really good and comfortable. And you got the analog button, select, start, perfect branding. So where we have got L1, R1, L2 and R2 buttons. Then you get the main D-pad, and here not sure what has these buttons, but like you have to change them up, and they're really good guys. Like I mean, and the buttons, if you're guessing about the button guys, this thing is having button, let me tell you, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Yes, total 18 buttons this thing is having, and that's quite amazing. And guys, these analog sticks, they are movable too, but they are pressable too, as you can see. So I can press them up too. They also do function as well. And yeah guys, so this is it for this review and this thing, and it's a quite amazing product guys. I would say you should buy it for the price, because the price is too good. Like 500 rupees is nothing, and this controller is quite amazing. It connects with both of your PC and mobile, and I have done both. I have done gaming on both, and it's quite beautiful experience here. So guys, yeah, if you like my video, make sure to leave a like on this video. And you guys, if you want to see a video on how to set it up on your PC and how to play games with the controller on your Android or on your PC, guys, tell me in the comments, and I will try my best to post a video on that as soon as possible. And guys, yeah, this is all for today. Stay tuned. This is all for today. Stay tuned for next videos. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And bye bye. Peace out.